We begin tonight with the new federal deadline for tens of millions of American workers to get vaccinated. Businesses with 100 workers or more must have workers get vaccinated by January 4th now, all in an effort to try to get out of this pandemic. More than 100 million workers affected, 2/3 of the American workforce. President Biden first announcing this was coming many weeks ago, but tonight the deadline now in clear focus. Those businesses with 100 or more employees have until January 4th. Workers must get the vaccination or be tested weekly and wear masks. And by January 4th, healthcare facilities that receive Medicare or Medicaid funding must require all workers to be vaccinated with no option for testing. 17 million people work at these facilities. Tonight, some businesses pushing back, retailers fearing they will lose workers in a time when it's been difficult to find them, and during this upcoming critical holiday shopping season. Tonight, the debate here on both sides, and Dr. Anthony Fauci defending the action, what he said today. And of course, it all comes as thousands of children 5 to 11 now roll up their sleeves to be vaccinated. Here in New York City tonight, offering children $100 each to get the shot. ABC's Whit Johnson tonight leading us off.
After weeks of protests against local vaccine mandates, tonight, a new federal deadline for 2/3 of the American workforce. The Biden administration giving businesses with 100 or more employees until January 4th to require workers to be fully vaccinated or face weekly testing. The new rule also includes 17 million healthcare workers who do not have the option of testing. Violators could face a $14,000 fine or potential loss of Medicare and Medicaid dollars. At a hearing on Capitol Hill today, Dr. Fauci defending the mandates.
We know that vaccines absolutely save lives, and we know that mandates work.
In fact, in New York City just days ago, frontline workers protesting a vaccine mandate, hundreds of firefighters calling out sick. But now, more than 92% of the city's workforce vaccinated. But with this new federal deadline covering 100 million American workers, Republican leaders in 26 states are vowing to fight in court.
People should not be in a situation where they're faced with the jab or their jobs.
Ross McGregor, who owns an auto manufacturing parts company in Ohio, says only half of his workers are vaccinated.
We have some very highly skilled people that are working with us, and to lose any of them would definitely put us at a competitive disadvantage.
This as kids 5 to 11 across the country are lining up to get their first shots. In New York City, nearly 250,000 doses now available at vaccination sites. The mayor even offering money.
Good news, kids are eligible for the $100 vaccine incentive.
That got our attention today. With us tonight, what more do we know about this $100 offer for kids? And also more on that new warning from the CDC director today on the possibility of a tough flu season ahead.
Well, David, these are $100 debit cards that are being offered to kids 5 to 11 years old who get their first dose at city-run vaccination sites. It's similar to the incentives that have been offered to adults. And as you noted there, the CDC director said today that this flu season has the potential to be severe and is telling people that it's very important to get vaccinated for COVID and the seasonal flu. Health experts also say it is okay to do both at the same time. David.
Whit Johnson leading us off tonight. Thank you, Whit.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.